Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Duolingo app. We go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Duolingo. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.